Okay, so at this part of the video, we'll be talking about energy stored in a current carrying inductor. So if there is current flowing or inductor carries a certain amount of current, so there must be energy stored on it. So just like in a capacitor, so if charge is flowing in a capacitor, so the capacitor must be storing also an energy. So the formula for this one, so the energy, so W is equal to 1/2 L, so that is the inductance times the current squared. Okay, so our W is the energy stored, that is given in joule. Then we have our L, inductance. The unit for inductance is Henry, and the current, the unit for current is in amperes. So this formula means that, for example, if you are going to increase our inductance, so the energy stored in the coil will also increase. So if we are also going to increase the current flowing in the inductor, then the energy stored on that will also increase, so that is squared. So that will be, for example, the initial current is 2, then you will square that, will increase that current into 4, so it will be 16. So it will be from equal to the square of the current, so that will be the increase of the energy stored on the inductor. So that is the formula for energy stored in a current carrying inductor. Now let's just take a little sidetrack for this one. So the inductor, the capacitor, they all behave differently in our, so if our source is a DC source. Okay, so the capacitor stores electrical charge, while the inductor opposes or resists the change in current. So if we are going to analyze circuit involving capacitor and inductor, so for inductor, we are analyzing the circuit by means of the current. So the quantity flowing on the circuit is the amperes or the current, while in the capacitor, the flowing one or the quantity that we are trying to analyze is in terms of the charge. Okay, so that is the difference of the two, the capacitor and the inductor. Now if we are going in advance to the AC circuit, so it will be another different concept. So it will be a different concept. So we will be introduced with the reactance, then the impedance, then the frequency or whatsoever. But we just in a short manner, when we are going when we are discussing the behavior of a capacitor and an inductor in an AC circuit, we are trying now to analyze in terms of its effect on the alternating current. So, and that will be what we call as reactance. While in DC circuit, there is no reactance in terms of the capacitor and the inductor. Okay, so that will be all for this video. So thank you for watching, and as always, continue studying.